How to reinstall Netflix on LG Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Before you try to reinstall your Netflix, go ahead and check for any of the available update for your LG Smart TV first and foremost. For that, head over to the settings and tap on all settings. Click on the support button and pick on software update. Select check for any of the available update. After that, to reinstall your Netflix, click on the home or start button to open the launch bar. Select the apps option. From there, you can click on the search icon to search for your Netflix app. After which you'll be redirected to the Netflix page, through which all you need to do now is click on the install button. By this way, you'll be able to install your Netflix on your LG Smart TV. You don't have to worry about your data being removed because Netflix will store all of your data and your watch history for you. All you need to do is log in using your Netflix credential. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.